guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be cream contouring for the first time ever, so let's see how it goes. We're gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal because I've seen other people do it and it was really affordable, so you know I'm all about that not spending money thing, and it was like $3.99 I believe in CVS. So yeah, and do you notice anything different about me? Probably not, but my hair is usually curly and I blow dried it, so it's kind of straight right now. Well, now it's wavy because I've had it in a bun for the majority of the day. Yeah, it's wavy. Let's get into it. Let me know if you like it curly or straight better. I'm always curious. Let's just get into it, you guys. Let's see how I do. I'm really nervous. Okay, so hair is up now. First thing we're gonna do is start with foundation. I know that much. We're gonna put foundation on using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place. Woo! Ignore my nails, they are terrible because I had acrylics and then I took them off and now they're like destroyed, so don't do it, kids. Put some in the back of my hand and using the Real Technique sponge, just gonna pounce it on. Put more because we want to be full coverage today, girls. Okay, so a while ago I watched a Carly Bible video. I know you guys know who she is, like you have to. She's amazing, she's beautiful. Anyway, I watched her video and she always contours her nose, and she does an amazing job, and I was curious to see how she did it, and she does use cream and a little bit of powder, so I'm gonna kind of do the method that she does. By the way, I'm taking the shade, where's the shade? I'm taking the shade Espresso, and this concealer actually comes with a little brush. I thought it would be cool to map out where you want to put it, and like you don't have to use a brush, and then it's just like this one product can do most of the work. So I think I just have to keep squeezing until something comes out. Okay, it came out. So I'm gonna do the nose first. She also said to put it on the tip of your nose to make it look shorter, if that is what you're trying to do. Definitely what I'm trying to do. Alright. So, the one that she used, she says that it, like, you can leave it on the face for a longer time and it's blendable. I don't know about this one, so I think I'm gonna start blending sooner than she did. And I'm gonna be using concealer on the sides where we put the brown. I'm gonna put it right next to it. Apparently that will make it look less harsh. So that's what we're doing, guys. We're just painting. I'm gonna use this brush. All it says is Illuminator Bogakis. I don't know, my aunt gave it to me. Looks like this, and it seems like it would be good to blend out this contour. So we're just gonna be pushing the white into the brown. But not completely blending away the brown. Trying your best not to. Okay, now this side. Does it look smaller to you? I don't know. Now that that's kind of blended, she said if your forehead is not super big, don't put too much of the contour. So I'm just gonna put a little. Ah. I'm gonna take a sponge. Well, I'm tan, huh? Got a little bit of tan. We're gonna put some concealer in the middle. Maybe that'll help. Okay, so I think it looks good. It looks fine. Maybe not good, but not terrible, you know? So now we're gonna do a little line above where our cheekbone is so that the contour doesn't go too low. So let's try using a brush. No, sponge. I actually am so surprised that I like the way the nose and the forehead looked and not so much the cheeks. So let's give it another try. Also, this product is a concealer, so it doesn't really say anything about contouring, so I can't really give it like a bad review or something because that's not what it claims that it does. So yeah, but I think it performed well on the forehead. Ooh. Oh no. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like taking off foundation. This side looks pretty good to me. This side has a hole in it. I'm not sure what to do. add more. I'm gonna use a small brush. I don't know what to do, man. I put some foundation there. See if I could cover it up. So that is the current state of my cheek. This one does not look as bad. I think my forehead looks good. I think my nose looks good. Once I highlight and contour with powder, it'll look good. It's just this. So I think I'm gonna wipe that off, put foundation over it, and put a little bit so it can balance. But I feel like the cream product, maybe it's too dry and it doesn't blend as well on my cheek area. I have like kind of acne scars on my cheek. I put acne medicine on my cheeks, so maybe it's too dry and it doesn't work well. It'll only work well on the spots that I have more like oil, more normal skin type, so like my nose, my forehead. But my cheeks are a bit dry right now, so maybe a creamier contour would work better for me. But as of right now, I think I would only use this on my nose and maybe my forehead, because I kind of like the way my nose looks. So I'm gonna wipe that off and I'll be right back. Alright, that works for me, y'all. So now I'm gonna put concealer under my eyeballs. Okay guys, so I will say, it feels like I'm wearing so much product on my face, and I don't know if I like that feeling, but I feel like I would do it on certain occasions, just not all the time, you know? Also, I bake everything because I'm oily, so bake here too for funsies. So I'm gonna do my eye makeup and then I'll be back. Let's wipe away the bake now, if it's possible. Now to finish up the contour, this is the Morphe 39A palette, and I think I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to take this brush that we use to contour now. I'm going to take this ColourPop angled brush and I'm going to take the same shade a little bit on the forehead. Alright you guys, so all in all, I think this really changed the game for my nose and my forehead. The cheeks are, I think I can use a creamier contour, because since my cheeks are like my problematic area for acne, they're more dry because of all the salicylic acid I use. But yeah, overall I really like this, and I think I'm gonna go out and purchase a Makeup Revolution. Yeah, Makeup Revolution London. This Conceal and Define concealer is very creamy, so if I get this in a darker shade, I feel like it'll work really well. I'm in a little bit of a hurry. Just putting this right above the contour. Alright y'all, now I'm gonna do some highlighter. I'm using Strobe Globe from ColourPop. Now the nose. Now highlight cheeks. So now we have to do mascara. You guys, I finished. Whew. Yes, I'm still in a rush, but I'm just gonna calm myself down. If I'm late, I'm late, and it's fine. It's fine. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I think I'm gonna cream contour more often now. I saw that Wet n Wild has like a chubby stick for contouring. I don't know if it's good, but I can test it out. Let me know what you guys want me to do for my next video, and leave a comment about anything, about your day, just saying hey, you know, whatever, because I love to hear from you guys. And have an awesome day or night, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.